Today we're diving into the fascinating world of electric bells. Have you ever wondered what makes that familiar ringing sound at your door or in your school? Electric bells are everywhere, yet most of us don't think twice about how they work. In this video, we'll explore the history, science, and everyday uses of electric bells. From their invention to their role in modern technology, you'll discover just how important and ingenious these devices are. Let's start our journey by understanding what exactly an electric bell is and why it's so significant in our daily lives. Electric bell is a mechanical bell that works using electricity. Unlike traditional bells that require manual force, electric bells use an electric current to create sound. When you press a button, electricity flows through a circuit, activating an electromagnet. This electromagnet attracts a metal arm which strikes the bell and produces a ringing sound. The process repeats rapidly, creating the continuous ring we all recognize. Electric bells are used in homes, schools, offices, and factories, making them a vital part of our communication and alert systems. Story of the electric bell dates back to the early 19th century. The first electric bell was invented by Joseph Henry in 1831, an American scientist who was also a pioneer in electromagnetism. His invention paved the way for many modern electrical devices. Over time, electric bells became more refined and widely used, especially after the development of reliable batteries and switches. Today, the basic principle remains the same, but the design and materials have evolved to suit different needs and environments. Let's break down the main parts of an electric bell. The core components include the electromagnet, armature, hammer, bell, and switch. The electromagnet is the heart of the system, converting electrical energy into mechanical movement. The armature is a movable iron strip that gets pulled by the electromagnet. Attached to the armature is the hammer, which strikes the bell to produce sound. The switch, often a push button, completes the circuit and starts the ringing process. Each part plays a crucial role in making the bell work seamlessly. Electric bell operates through a simple yet clever electrical circuit. When you press the button, the circuit closes, allowing current to flow from the power source to the electromagnet. The electromagnet then pulls the armature, causing the hammer to hit the bell. As the armature moves, it also breaks the circuit, which turns off the electromagnet. The armature springs back, reconnecting the circuit, and the cycle repeats rapidly. This rapid on-off action creates the continuous ringing sound. Electromagnet is the powerhouse of the electric bell. It's made by winding a coil of wire around a piece of iron. When electricity flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field, turning the iron into a magnet. This temporary magnetism is strong enough to pull the armature, setting the ringing process in motion. Once the circuit is broken, the magnetism disappears, allowing the armature to return to its original position. This on-off magnetism is what makes the bell ring repeatedly. Armature is a crucial moving part in the electric bell. It's a strip of iron positioned close to the electromagnet. When the electromagnet is activated, it attracts the armature, causing it to move and strike the bell with the hammer. As the armature moves, it also opens the circuit, which deactivates the electromagnet and allows the armature to spring back. This back-and-forth motion is essential for the continuous ringing sound we hear. Hammer is attached to the armature and is responsible for striking the bell. Every time the armature moves, the hammer hits the bell, producing a clear ringing sound. The bell itself is usually made of metal, designed to amplify the sound. The shape and material of the bell affect the tone and volume of the ring. Together, the hammer and bell turn electrical energy into an audible alert that grabs our attention. Push-button switch is what starts the whole process. When you press the button, it closes the circuit, allowing electricity to flow to the electromagnet. This simple action sets off the chain reaction that makes the bell ring. The switch is designed to be easy to use and reliable, ensuring that the bell rings every time you need it. Without the switch, the electric bell wouldn't function as an alert system. Electric bells can be powered by different sources. Traditionally, they used batteries, which made them portable and easy to install. In modern times, many electric bells are connected directly to the main electrical supply for continuous power. The choice of power source depends on where the bell is used and how often it needs to ring. Reliable power is essential to ensure the bell works whenever it's needed. There are several types of electric bells, each designed for specific purposes. The most common is the single-stroke bell, which rings once for each press of the button. The vibrating bell, on the other hand, rings continuously as long as the button is held down. Some electric bells are designed for loud environments, while others are made for subtle alerts. The variety ensures that there's an electric bell suitable for every need. Single-stroke bells are simple and effective. When you press the button, the bell rings once, regardless of how long you hold the button. This type is often used in schools or offices where a single, clear alert is needed. The mechanism is straightforward, making it reliable and easy to maintain. Single-stroke bells are ideal for situations where you want a distinct, non-repetitive sound. Vibrating bells are designed to ring continuously as long as the button is pressed. The rapid movement of the armature and hammer creates a steady, repeating sound. This type is commonly used in doorbells and alarm systems where a continuous alert is necessary. Vibrating bells are effective for grabbing attention and ensuring the alert is noticed, especially in noisy environments. Electric bells are used in many aspects of our daily lives. They serve as doorbells, school bells, alarm systems, and even in some public transportation systems. Their ability to provide instant, clear alerts makes them invaluable in both homes and workplaces. Whether you're welcoming a guest or signaling the end of a class, electric bells play a vital role in communication and safety. In schools, electric bells are used to signal the start and end of classes, breaks, and emergencies. The clear, loud sound ensures that everyone hears the alert, even in large buildings. School bells are often connected to a timer or control system, allowing them to ring automatically at set times. This automation helps maintain order and keeps the school day running smoothly. At home, electric bells are most commonly used as doorbells. They provide a convenient way for visitors to announce their arrival. Modern doorbells often include additional features like intercoms or video cameras, but the basic electric bell mechanism remains the same. The familiar ring is a staple in households around the world, offering both security and convenience. In industrial settings, electric bells are used for signaling shifts, breaks, or emergencies. Their loud, distinctive sound can cut through the noise of machinery, ensuring that workers receive important alerts. Industrial bells are often larger and more robust, designed to withstand harsh environments. They play a crucial role in maintaining safety and efficiency in factories and warehouses. Electric bells are a key component in many alarm systems. They provide an audible alert in case of fire, intrusion, or other emergencies. The loud, continuous ring ensures that everyone in the area is aware of the danger. In some systems, electric bells are combined with lights or sirens for added effectiveness. Their reliability makes them a trusted choice for safety and security. Public transportation systems often use electric bells to signal arrivals, departures, or emergencies. For example, trains and buses may use bells to alert passengers when doors are closing or when it's time to board. The clear sound helps ensure that everyone receives important information quickly, contributing to the smooth operation of public transit. In hospitals, electric bells are used for nurse call systems and emergency alerts. Patients can press a button to request assistance, and the bell notifies staff immediately. This quick communication is vital for patient care and safety. Hospital bells are designed to be reliable and easy to use, ensuring that help is always just a button press away. Fire alarm systems often use electric bells to provide a loud, unmistakable warning. When smoke or heat is detected, the bell rings continuously to alert everyone in the building. The sound is designed to be heard over long distances and through walls, ensuring a rapid response. Electric bells are a critical part of fire safety protocols. Hotels use electric bells for a variety of purposes, from room service requests to emergency alerts. Guests can press a button to call for assistance, and staff are notified instantly. Bells are also used in staff areas to signal meetings or breaks. Their reliability and ease of use make them a staple in the hospitality industry. In offices, electric bells are used for signaling meetings, breaks, or emergencies. They help keep the workplace organized and ensure that everyone receives important information promptly. Office bells are often connected to central control systems, allowing for automated alerts throughout the building. Factories rely on electric bells to signal shift changes, breaks, or emergencies. The loud, clear sound can be heard over the noise of machinery, ensuring that workers stay informed. Factory bells are built to withstand tough conditions and are an essential part of industrial safety systems. Restaurants use electric bells to signal orders, call staff, or alert the kitchen. The quick, clear sound helps keep service running smoothly and ensures that customers receive prompt attention. Bells are often placed in strategic locations for maximum efficiency. In hotels, electric bells are used for both guest and staff communication. Guests can request services with the press of a button while staff use bells to coordinate activities. The system ensures that everyone stays connected and that service is prompt and efficient. Banks use electric bells for security and communication. Bells can alert staff to emergencies or signal the start and end of business hours. Their reliability and clear sound make them a trusted tool in financial institutions. In theaters, electric bells are used to signal the start of performances, intermissions, or emergencies. The clear, distinct sound ensures that both staff and audience members are informed. Bells are often integrated into the theater's control system for seamless operation. Hotels rely on electric bells for guest services, staff coordination, and emergency alerts. The system is designed for reliability and ease of use, ensuring that guests receive prompt attention and that staff can respond quickly to any situation. Airports use electric bells to signal boarding, security alerts, and staff communication. The clear sound helps manage the flow of passengers and ensures that important messages are heard in busy terminals. Bells are integrated into airport communication systems for efficiency. Shopping centers use electric bells for security alerts, staff communication, and customer service. The bells help coordinate activities, alert staff to emergencies, and provide a safe environment for shoppers. Their reliability makes them a key part of mall operations. Warehouses use electric bells to signal shift changes, breaks, and emergencies. The loud sound ensures that workers hear important alerts, even in large spaces. Bells are often connected to automated systems for precise timing and coordination. Libraries use electric bells to signal closing times, events, or emergencies. The gentle sound is designed not to disturb readers but still provides clear communication. Bells help maintain order and ensure that everyone is informed of important announcements. Museums use electric bells for staff communication, event announcements, and emergency alerts. The bells are integrated into the building's communication system, ensuring that staff and visitors receive timely information. Their discreet design blends with the museum environment. Sports arenas use electric bells to signal game starts, breaks, and emergencies. The loud, clear sound ensures that players, officials, and fans are all informed. Bells are often synchronized with lights or scoreboards for maximum impact. Churches use electric bells to signal the start of services, weddings, or special events. The bells provide a traditional sound with the convenience of modern technology. Automated systems allow for precise timing and consistent operation. Electric bells are a vital part of emergency systems. They provide a loud, unmistakable alert that can be heard throughout a building or area. Whether it's a fire, medical emergency, or security threat, the electric bell ensures that everyone is aware and can respond quickly. Modern electric bells are often integrated into automated systems. Timers, sensors, and control panels can trigger bells at specific times or in response to certain events. This automation increases efficiency and ensures that alerts are timely and consistent, reducing the need for manual operation. Wireless technology has brought new possibilities to electric bells. Wireless doorbells and alert systems are easy to install and can be used in places where wiring is difficult. These systems use radio signals to communicate between the button and the bell, offering flexibility and convenience. In smart homes, electric bells are often part of integrated security and communication systems. They can be controlled remotely via smartphones or voice assistants and may include features like video cameras or intercoms. Smart bells offer enhanced security and convenience for modern living. Energy efficiency is an important consideration in modern electric bells. New designs use low-power components and efficient circuits to reduce energy consumption. Some bells are even powered by renewable energy sources, making them environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Accessibility is a key feature in many electric bell systems. Bells can be paired with visual alerts such as flashing lights to assist people with hearing impairments. Easy-to-press buttons and adjustable volume settings ensure that everyone can use the system comfortably. Regular maintenance is important to keep electric bells working properly. This includes checking the wiring, cleaning contacts, and ensuring that the power source is reliable. Well-maintained bells are less likely to fail and provide consistent performance over time. If an electric bell stops working, there are a few common issues to check. These include dead batteries, loose wires, or faulty switches. Systematic troubleshooting can quickly identify and fix most problems, ensuring that the bell is back in service as soon as possible. Future of electric bells is bright, with new technologies making them smarter, more efficient, and more versatile. From integration with smart home systems to eco-friendly designs, electric bells continue to evolve to meet the needs of modern life. Their core function remains the same, providing clear, reliable alerts whenever and wherever they're needed.